You're gonna be.
Yeah, nervousness and stuff like that. Like, it's been a while since I've had a piercing. Like.
How's it?
Yeah.
It soon comes back to you. You okay, my dear?
Mhm.
When I say nice big deep breath in, alright? Nice big deep breath in, breathe out.
There's a little bit of skin.
Woo.
You okay?
Mhm. I just got like, see, whenever I get tattooed or I get pierced, I always get bloody
You okay?
Mhm.
Almost there.
Goosebumps.
Yeah, it's the way the adrenaline works as well, isn't it? You know.
Yeah.
Let me just reposition that a little bit there. You okay?
Yeah.
You want to hear that little snap of your skin?
What?
Your skin will make a little snapping sound, like it did.
There we go. All done. Finished. How was that?
Okay.
That took like 58 seconds.
And that's because I had to reposition it as well, you know?
Record, man.
Legend.
Hardly any blood at all.
There we go. See?
What do you think?
It's cool. Yeah, it's cool.
All done. Finished. Just like that. How was that?
Crazy. Let me see the skin.
Oh, here's your skin. Oh, it's a bit squishy there.
Oh
There you go. That's what I took.
my god. That's mint now.
That's the part you don't see.